Hey everyone, it's Chriso. What I've done here is I've got my height at the waist there like that. I've come up to here, giving it a nice fall. I hope you can see that. Giving it a nice fall. I always go to the center of the waist. That determined my height up here, and then I've leveled it all the way around. I hope you can see that. Now, what a lot of people make a mistake of is level it across there, go there, have that level, then go off your other corner. You don't go all the way around. It's a lot more accurate if you go off as much as you can off your starting point, which is the one that I leveled across here. So then I go across there. It's nice and level. So it ends up nice and level all the way around, and then I'll have a nice fall down to there. So I'm about to just screed it off. Sometimes it's a little bit tight for your level, but that's pretty good. That's a nice distance there. I'll be laying my shower. I won't be waiting for the mud to dry. I'll be putting glue on the back of my tile, cutting my tiles, and then putting glue on the back and sticking them straight down, tapping them into place. See the fall there? Beautiful. Beautiful. That's a little bit shorter distance, so it's even more fall, but you get that. So I'll screed it off, people, and come back to you and show you some more. We'll see you soon. Bye.